Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Today is a new day and it's a happy Monday. Today we are going to start our tutorial on how to make a simple complementary card. So those who have not yet installed their CorelDRAW, please kindly install the setup because today we are using CorelDRAW for this tutorial. So let's quickly open our CorelDRAW, and these are the images that we are going to use for today. We have our website logo, the location logo, the WhatsApp logo right here, and we have our Gmail too as well. So let's go on and open our CorelDRAW. So when CorelDRAW is opened, click on the get started. Click on get started right here. Get started. Click on get started right here. Click on it and click on new document. Click on new document. So now the name, just type complementary card tests 1. Rename it to complementary card tests 1. The preset, leave it as custom because we are going to change the size. The number of pages, 1 is cool, but we are going to use 2 pages. So I'll show you how to create a new page. So for the dimension, we are going to change the width because the default complementary card is 3.5 inches. So change your millimeters to inches, then change the width to 3.5 and the height to 2 inches. That's the default complementary card, and leave the resolution as 300. And now you can press OK. So we got our page right here and our default size. Here it's 3.5 and 2 inches. That's business card, as you all can see. So pick your rectangular tool. You can just press F6 to activate it, or you can click on the rectangular shape tool and draw a rectangular fit to the box. Click at the edge and drag through to fit the box. Any work outside the box is now it's not counted. That's not how CorelDRAW works. CorelDRAW works with margins. So let's zoom in the top because it's outside the box. So as you can see, it's outside the box. So let's quickly drag it a little bit to fit the box. Now we get it. So F4 to fit page. F4 to fit page. F4. So now we have our rectangular shape drawn. Pick your move tool or pick tool and select color. 70% black. Click on 70% black as the color. And now pick your rectangular tool again. Click on your rectangular tool and draw from the top edge right here to the bottom. Now you can release it increase. It's pretty cool. So now move your mouse cursor on the ruler and drag the ruler to fit the center, fit it centered in the selected box. As you can see, it will centered. So just center it and now release your mouse. So when you click and zoom, you can see it fits. It's not really fits, so you can drag to the top a little bit, click again, and now it fits. So pick your shape tool. Here's your shape tool right here. Click on your shape tool, hold Control Q to convert the shape. Control Q to convert the shape, or Control Z undo, or click on your bitmaps and click on convert to bitmap. Resolution 300. Cool, and we still got it the shape. We still got it as shape, but I prefer using the shortcut key, so Control Q and we get it. So double click on the edge right here in the line, double click, and now you see it has created a new column. It has created a new active column. So just drag there a little bit inside, make sure it's on the line and release it. Now we got this shape. Now you can click on your pick tool and change the color to orange or deep yellow. Click on deep yellow, and we got it this way. So pick your Polygonal tool right here. Pick your Polygonal tool, click on Polygonal tool, or press Y on your keyboard to activate it. Yes, Y to activate it, and increase the column. Normally it's on 5, so increase the column to 6, and now draw by holding Control to get the exact size. Drag holding Control to get the exact size, and now you can release and click on your pick tool, reduce the size a little bit and drag it over here. Make sure the edge right here is online, and now it's cool. Now let's increase it a little bit by holding shift to increase a little bit, and now let's change the color to the background color right here. It's already here. We've already picked it, so it's already here. So you can just click right here, or you can go here and select your 70% black, click right there, and now click on your shadow tool. Click on the shadow tool and click right somewhere here and drag it by holding shift and drag it a little bit and leave it. Now reduce the shadow feathering. Reduce the shadow feathering to, let's say, 5%. So you can just type 5%. Is cool. And increase the transformation to, let's say, 80%. Is cool. Now change from multiply to normal, and now we got it right here. So we can reduce We can fit our column to by pressing F4 to fit to page. And now we got this one. So this page is the front page. So the front page, you can just put your logo inside here, inside this polygonal shape. So we are going to pick our logo and fit into this shape. So I got my logo right here, PNG file, drag it and drop it right here. Oh, it fit, sorry. Leave it somewhere here. Now reduce it a little bit by holding shift to get the shape in size, and now move it inside, increase it a little bit, move to fit it on page. I prefer the camera out of the box. So it's cool now. And now pick your A as test 2. You can just press on F8 and you get it. So click on your test 2 A right here. Click on it and let's type quality solutions. Your quality solutions, and click on your pick 2. Let's change the font to Etron. Sorry, change your test 2 to Etron. We got it this way. Now reduce the size by holding the edge right here. Reduce it a little bit. Drag it right here. Click on it again to give you the run for you to rotate it. So hold the edge right here and rotate it this way by holding Control. So hold Control to move it up. Now you can position it right here and change the color to white. So let's reduce it a little bit. And now we got our front. Our front card. So now let's quickly do the back. So click right here to create a new layer or a new page for it by getting the same size. So you just click the plus sign. Now we have page 2. So now we can rename, we can right click and rename this as front card. Okay, and the page 2, right click, rename, and change it to back card. Back card. Okay, so we go back to the front card, click on the background, hold shift to add, or shift to add layers. Click on the yellow background to increase or zoom in your work a little bit, and click on the shape right here, and now it's copied. So Ctrl C to copy, go back to the back card and paste it. Now, which means our polygonal tool is not selected. That's why the logo comes here. So let's go back to the front card, increase it a little bit, click on the Polygonal Tool, copy it again, click on the back card and paste it. Now we got it. So we can delete our logo right here. Hold Control plus page down. Control plus page down, so that the polygonal shape will go backward. If I again press Control plus page down, it will go back. Page up will come up and come up and come up. Page down will go back and go back. Control Home will bring it forward, and Control End will send it backward. So that's how it works. So we want it in front, so Control Home to bring it in front and Control Page down to send it back, because we are going to delete our logo from this position. So just delete the logo by pressing delete. So Control A to select all the shapes. Click on your mirror horizontally and click on your vertical or your mirror vertically to get it. And now we got our page rotated. So now we pick our text tool, click anywhere on the desktop and type, in capital letters, capital Prin Designs. Control A to select all. Now we pick our font style to ethnocentric and press on enter, and now we got it right here. Click on your pick tool and change the color to white. So now let's reduce it a little bit to fit inside the box. Let's reduce it more by holding Shift whilst dragging. Now bring it here. Let's increase it a little bit. And now it fits. Drag whilst holding, click on your left key, and now it's created a new text for you. So you can just reduce it, or you can just release your finger, and now it's created. So double click on it to activate it for you to edit it. Control A to select all, and now type your quality solutions, and now click on your pick tool and reduce the size a little bit. It's cool. Now double click again and make a bracket, because that's our motto. Bracket open and bracket close. So now click on your move tool. Whilst your quality solutions is selected, hold Control and click on your Prin Designs. Whilst your quality solutions is selected, hold Shift and press on your designs, and now press on C on your keyboard to center it. So C, and it's centered. So now you can just click anywhere and you got it. So what's next? We have to get our telephone, our location, our telephone number, our Gmail or Yahoo Mail that we have, and the website that we have as well. So just duplicate this you can just drag the Prin designs. Whilst dragging, click on your right click once and now release it. So now we have our Prin designs well created. So double click on it and change. Now our location is our domain estate, Accra. So select your pick tool and reduce the size a little bit. Increase it a little bit. For you to get the actual size, you can just pick the file size right here. It's 5.435 pt. So you can just type it and get the size. So let's drag down. So we have our location ready. Double click on again. Press on enter and enter again twice and type so we have the location, your telephone number. We are going to use my WhatsApp number, so +233 dash 575 dash 799 dash 504. That's my WhatsApp number. You can add as much as you want by dash or then we just continue. But we are using a single number. So double enter again and type your Gmail. So Prin designs. Double enter again, because when you finish typing your Gmail, it will automatically change the color. So double enter again before completing your Gmail. So Prin designs 7 at gmail.com, and now you can use your mouse cursor down to get it. For example, let's say Prin designs 7 at gmail.com. You see the color is changed, and we want the color white because our background is black or 70% black, so we don't want it blue. That's why you have to double. If you press on enter, you get the blue background, so you have to double enter before completing the Gmail. Don't press on space after adding the com. Don't space it. If you space it, it will automatically change the color. So when you got to the com, then use your mouse your arrow keys down. Just drag it down. Press on your down on the down on your keyboard, and you get it. So let's erase this one. We have one more thing, our website. So I've already shortened my website right here. So let's go to my bit.ly and copy my shorten link right here. So when someone types https or just bit.ly/3pc2009, it will automatically send the person to my YouTube channel page. So that's my WhatsApp. My website. So now we are going to use the logos to indicate. So let's minimize our work and drag all the the 4 logos in right here. So we drag this one right here. We don't need this one. We drag it this way. We reduce it a little bit. We drag this one here. We reduce it. This one right here. We reduce it. So we don't want the background. So what we are going to do is you right click on it and click on quick trace right here. Click on quick trace, right click and click on quick trace. It will automatically trace it for you, and now you can drag it somewhere. So you can delete the first one, right click on it and ungroup it. So ungroup all, or just ungroup it, and now you can drag your shape right here. You see it's gone. So click right here, select this short distance boxes, delete them one, delete them one, select and delete, select and delete, select and delete, delete this one, delete, we got some inside the box, delete, let's delete. So we want a white background to indicate the location. So you pick your ellipse tool, click on your ellipse tool and simply make an ellipse or circle around it by holding Control to get the actual size. So reduce it, drag it in the middle and change the color to white. Now we don't want the black, so click right here on the outline width, click there and click on none, and now it's gone. Boom, you got it. Click on your pick tool, now select all and Control G to group it, or you can just right click and click on group right here and it's grouped. So now we have our location logo, drag it right here. We still have some white background. So let's ungroup it by right click and click on ungroup all, and now we can select our white background, delete, click, delete, click, delete. So now we can regroup it again, Control G to regroup. Now reduce the size a little bit, bring it right here because this is our location. Now this is our WhatsApp number, so same applies to the WhatsApp. You right click, quick trace, and it's nicely traced. You drag it this way, you click the old one, Control U to ungroup all, Control U to ungroup all. Now you can delete the other shapes right inside. You select, you delete, you select, you delete, select, delete, select, delete, then you delete them all one by one. Delete them all. Sorry, selected the wrong thing. Delete this one. Pick our shape 2, and now we got some zigzag. It doesn't really need much. I'll get you the PNG file so that you easily copy it. Mine, I'm going to do it this way. So you select all, Control G to select, sorry, to group, and now we drag it this way. Reduce the size a little bit by holding Shift key to get the actual size. And now the Gmail is not showing right here. So you see our website is in PNG form, so we can just reduce the size and bring it right here. So let's quickly search for Gmail on the internet. We got Gmail right here, and Gmail is not showing. Oh, this is HTML. So we right click, save image as, and we got it a website. We don't need the websites of it. So let's go to, I think, Google, Gmail logo, PNG. Click on images and select any Gmail. Yeah, this is the new logo. This is the new Gmail logo. So let's drag it on our desktop. We got it PNG. So drag it to your work. What's happening right here? It's not working. Let's copy it and see. Yeah, we got it, but it's not in PNG. So let's quickly trace it. Quick trace. And now we got it. We drag it this way. We delete the old one. Control U to ungroup it. Now select just the Gmail and drag it this way, and we delete the background. Boom. That's all. We got it. So we select all, Control G to group it. So let's reduce the size. Reduce the size. But Gmail color is changed. So let's again type it and see. So Prin designs 7@gmail.com. Yep, we got it, and it's in white background. So let's select all and group it, and now drag it down a little bit. Now we don't want the outlines. We don't want the black outlines, so we just select them. Click on your line and click on none. Select the other one too. Click here, click none. Select the Polygonal Tool and select the none. And now go back to our front. Select the background. On your outline width, select none. Same applies to this one. Same applies again right here. Same applies right here. Now we got our work nicely made. So this is for today's tutorial. And now if you want to get it on A4, so let's create a new sheet for A4. Create a new sheet and title it complementary card final, and select your page size, select A4, and now press on OK because we want it portrait. The resolution too is cool, so press on OK. So we go back to our complementary card, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, come right here, Control V to paste, now drag it to the top. Go back to our complementary card test1, back card, Control A to select all, Control C to copy all, and then go back to your complementary card funnel, Control C to paste. Now drag it right here. So pick your line 2 or your ruler and put it right here. Click on your back card, zoom in a little bit, use arrow keys to adjust it in line, then come back. So in this way, when printed, it's either you fold it into 2 and get it 1, or you get the first 10 as the front in one page and the back on the second page, so that when they print the first page, they can again turn the back and print the second page to get it just like front and back like that. But this is actually a tutorial that we are doing, so we are not in printing. So we can select R, Control V to group them, and now we hold Shift by dragging each downward by holding Shift to get it in line. Right click once, release, then release your hand to duplicate it. You can hold Shift and click on the second one. Now we got 4 selected. We drag it to the down, holding Shift to get it in line. Control right click once, then release. You got it. So it's left it one more. So we select the first 2, drag it down a little bit, and reduce it, and now we got it. So now this is for today's tutorial, guys. So we are not saving in this way. Let's go back to our work. We want to save it 1-1. We want to save it on the same page. So let's create a new layer. What you are going to send to me, create a new, select the first 2, copy it and create a new layer on the A4 sheet. Control V to paste it. Now adjust it at the top and click right here, the export, or Control E to export. And as it's already named file name complementary card funnel, select your desktop and save as type, change to JPEG bitmaps. Click on JPEG bitmaps and now export it on your desktop. Click on export and now it will load. So we got it right here. The resolution, the quality, just leave it as high as 80%. When we increase it, the size will increase as well. So let's say highest. It's loading. So as you can see, we got 220 kilobytes as 22.3 seconds. That is going to waste to save our file. So when we press on OK, it will load and now it's saved. So let's quickly cross check our work. We got it right here. Let's open it. Boom. So we got the front, we got the back right here. So here's the front and here's the back. So guys, it's all for today's tutorial. I wish you enjoyed this video, and don't feel hesitate to like this video and leave any question in the comment box so that when I quickly check, I'll just reply you and show you what to do. So guys, see you in the next complimentary card and have a beautiful and awesome day. See you guys in the next video. Bye.